Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use your box dye from the beauty store and get really nice ash blonde hair without having to use Wella toner 18 or having to use Olapex. And you can do all of that if you watch to the end of this video. Also, I just want to really apologize for what happened at the end, but you guys know your girl had to just come through and do a video. So yeah, please keep watching, watch to the end, subscribe, like, share with your friends, and I will see you in the video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already just sectioning off my hair because Brad Mondo says what section your hair, and also technically is the only like really what's the word, it's the only thing you really have to do, because you cannot be having hair color in your hand and then you're trying to touch sections of the hair. Like, what if you don't want to color those sections of hair? So the only safe bet is just to section out your hair, so that when you're doing your mixture and there's color in your hands, all what you need to do is just like remove the pin and then just color that section. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, I'm sectioning the hair and it's turning out great. Since it's a wig and not some human being's hair, what I'm doing is I'm sectioning, say, because my tracks are spaced out by 1 inch, so I'm sectioning 2 tracks at a time. After sectioning the hair, now there is the magic. So I got this box dye. This is like the cheapest box dye you can find in the history of box dye. Anyways, I've come across other Chinese box dyes, but nah fam, this one is the cheapest. I think a packet goes for 500 francs, and that's like $1 for a packet, so you get the material. Yeah, so what you're going to do is you're just going to open it. I don't know why this video is really slow like this, but I'm basically just doing a demo of how it comes in the box. There's the box, it comes with the developer that you mix into it, and then as you can see, it also comes with this sachet that you use, and it also has like a mini glove inside you can wear to protect your hands. I almost never use them because they rip easily, but in cases where you just want to do a quick job, this one is 100% recommend. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it off, and then I'm going to go in with my bowl, my mixing bowl, and I'm just going to pour everything, like squeeze the packet down to the tea. Just squeeze everything inside, okay? Just like you know, you're seeing what I'm doing is very much self-explanatory, but yeah, just squeeze everything into the container, and I'm going to go ahead and do that for all the packets I have. Before I forget, the color I'm using for this tutorial is a gold coral. This dye comes in a gold coral and some other weird color, and I decided that this was going to be the easiest one to do the work with. So yeah, you're just going to keep squeezing things into it. You're just going to keep squeezing the packet into the dye, and then now you're going to start adding your developer. You can use the normal developer that you use for your everyday wig making and wig coloring, but if I'm being honest, I just wanted to use everything that this came with, so that you guys like see what I'm working with and you guys see the whole process. Yeah, so I think I put about 3 into the bowl, and it wasn't enough because I was looking at my wig and I was looking at this. I was like, nah fam, this one's not going to be enough, so let me just go ahead and squeeze in more. And yeah, this color, like, ignore the fact that it looks really brown right now. Once you start mixing it, its true color is going to form. And I'm saying this because, you know, sometimes when you're pouring things out, you expect it to be, say, blonde or yellowish or something, but it's just looking really black, gray, ash blonde-ish. You're seeing what I'm seeing, like both of us are looking at the same thing on the camera. So yeah, I'm just clearing that up if in case you are wondering what's going on. These small bottles are really kind of annoying when you want to squeeze everything out of, so I end up using like a clamp or some sort of mixture. But yeah, we have finally reached the part where I get to mix everything together. So yeah, it's just basic mixing, like rotating your hands in the container and mixing. As you can see, this is what we have, and I'm looking at it and I'm like, well, works for me. But also, this is like the secret ingredient. I'm sure you guys have watched a couple of my purple shampoo videos. If you have not, I have a whole playlist of purple shampoo videos, so go ahead and watch it on how you can tone your hair at home. Very easy, very cheap and convenient. And basically the process is just you cancel out the yellowy or orangeness of your hair. So depending on what color your hair is, if your hair is more on the orange side, go ahead and use blue. If your hair is more on the yellow side, go ahead and use purple. My hair is more on the yellow side, that's why I'm using purple today. So yeah, I'm just going to drop, like, say a bottle cap of purple. A bottle cap is too much though, but I'm just going to sprinkle some purple into it so that you can see, like, it's going to be the blonde color I want, and also like this purple backing. And yes, if you're also wondering, like, why don't you use purple color at once? If you use purple color at once, it's going to transfer and your hair is going to most likely and most definitely be purple, not the ash blonde you're looking for. So you kind of need something that is just going to act as a guide in between. So here's my yellow hair, and now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring the hair from down to the top. But yeah, first of all, pin the hair out of place so that it doesn't distract me or take away from what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, basic application with like brush technique. Just take your hair and the brush and just rub it down on the hair. There's really the only technique that you do after is like once you mix everything and then you have to like blend it. But this one doesn't really need any blending because it's already like ombre at the top, so why will I be blending it? But still, you can blend it just to make sure that everything is nice and cute. And yes, I also changed my cloth on my dress because my friend came over and we had to chat, and you know what happened, so I had to come back and redo it. Yeah, that's the blending technique I was talking about. So yeah, I just need to go ahead and keep putting the product on the hair and then also blending it to, and also like kind of blending it out so that it looks cute and it's nice. This is what you should have. As you can see, the hair is looking, it hasn't started transforming yet, but it will transform. Like it's definitely going to transform. Okay, so I lost footage of that when I was switching my phones, but here is what your hair should be going for, and here is how your hair is going to look like. So that's it. This is how your hair should look like. Thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. You know the drill. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, share with your friends, follow me on my social. As always, I love you guys. Bye.